Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say glass in French. This is the French translation for the word glass, as in a glass of wine, a glass of water, but also the material glass. It's like in English, it does both things. So how do you go about pronouncing this? In French, we say it as verre, verre. It's all about the R here. I know it's difficult. You could say it as verre, verre, but in French it is said as verre. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? If you cannot pronounce the French R, here is a video just for you right here that might help you. Go and watch it. Otherwise, I'll see you there to watch those other videos about more French words. Merci. Au revoir.